Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting your TP-Link TL-WR820N router. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or just need a fresh start, this reset will help you restore your router to its factory default settings. Let's get started. First, ensure that your TP-Link TL-WR820N router is turned on. You'll also need a paperclip or any pointed object to press the reset button. This process will erase all custom settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password, so be sure to have your network details saved or noted down if you need them. Next, locate the reset button on the back of your router. It's usually a small, recessed button labeled Reset. You might need to use your paperclip or pointed tool to press it. Now, using your paperclip or tool, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until you notice the router's LED lights blinking. This indicates that the reset process has started. When the lights start blinking, release the reset button. The router will automatically reboot, which may take a few minutes. During this time, it is resetting and restoring the factory default settings. After the reboot, your TP-Link TL-WR820N router will be restored to its factory default settings. You'll need to reconfigure your network, including setting up your Wi-Fi name and password again. You can do this by connecting to the router's default Wi-Fi network and accessing the web interface via a browser. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert team is here to help. For support and guidance, feel free to contact us at 323-471-3045. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And there you have it. Your TP-Link TL-WR820N router is now reset and ready to be reconfigured. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.